Hello?
Do you like scary stories?
I'm sorry. You have the wrong number.
Wait, don't hang up. You still haven't told me what your favorite scary story is.
Look, I don't have time for this. I'm busy.
Don't you know who I am?
Of course I know who you are. You're that creepy Grim Reaper impersonator dude who goes around saying, Sydney. Like I said, Ghostface, I'm busy.
Busy? Busy doing what? Not dying?
Yeah, I'm definitely busy not dying, but also I'm busy writing because I'm an author.
I didn't know you were an author. I'm so sorry for disturbing you. And you know what? You can forget about this little call. But is it cool if I visit your neighbor down the street?
Go for it.
Alright, thank you. I'll just show myself out.
Alright. Bye-bye. Alright. Works every time. Worked for good old Freddy, Jason and his stupid mask, and now creepy Ghostface dude.
Too bad about Billy and Stu though. They seem like nice guys. Oh well.
Let's get back to TikTok.